Welcome in, welcome back to Love and Lights. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are taking great care of yourselves, doing your best, feeling your best. Sagittarius energy. I am here to bring you your new moon in Cancer July reading. Take what resonates, leave the rest. If it does not fit, please do not force it. As always, I encourage you guys to be your own leaders of discernment when watching any readings. And I thank you for your love, your support, your time, as well as your presence. So let's go ahead and jump into this. The July's new moon in Cancer brings an emotional lesson centered around doubt. I release the need to know all the answers. This appears when your soul is trying to grow faster than your mind feels ready for. Um, it shows up when your intuition is louder than your logic, when your heart wants to leap, but your mind wants proof, when your path is expanding, but your confidence is contracting, when your desire is rising, but then your trust itself in yourself is shaky. But doubt is not a flaw. It's a threshold. It's the moment where your old identity can no longer carry your new vision. And doubt teaches us to trust our inner voice even when the path isn't clear. It teaches us to move even when we don't have all the answers. It also teaches us to stop waiting for permission, stop outsourcing our confidence, and to stop assuming uncertainty means we're not prepared. So, doubt here is the emotional friction that appears right before a breakthrough. This new moon is asking you to stop interpreting doubt as a stop sign and start seeing it as a sign that you're entering a new territory. Page of Swords. Cancer's new moon activates your curiosity, your ideas, your desire to learn, explore, and understand. So the Page of Swords here is the student of truth. It's the one who asks questions, gathers information, and follows inspiration. This energy shows new ideas, new perspectives, new conversations, new clarity, new mental pathways. But when it's paired with doubt, it reveals that you're ready to grow, but you're questioning whether you're capable. And this reading is here to show you exactly how that doubt dissolves. I was also picking up the energy of you're learning something about yourself that helps you to move forward. Also, Libra energy, I was feeling heavily in this reading. You may want to refer to the Libra energy, especially if they're one of your big ones, your sun, moon, rising, or maybe even your Jupiter or your Venus. Um, I was picking up on some tension, like wanting to give up or feeling as if you're being tested, but then being able to see something or learn something about yourself that's going to help you to move forward towards what it is that you truly want for yourself, what's fulfilling, what satisfies you. So we start off here with Six of Wands energy, and we have live your truth. There's something here about the first. I don't know, maybe you're the oldest or you're the first to do something within your family. Six of Wands representing the seed, clarified by living your truth. This is a new beginning that is forming around confidence, visibility, and self-validation. The Six of Wands shows recognition, success, and being seen. You're beginning to trust your own voice, even if you're not fully confident yet. And this new moon plants the seed of authentic self expression. Live Your Truth brings the message that your truth is your compass, and the time has come to follow it without fear. There's no more hiding, no more compromising who you are. Do what feels right, even if it's not what others expect of you. So, I don't know, maybe you have a big influence on family because, maybe you are the first to accomplish something or to go further, um, maybe in your career, it's something with that. 10 of Wands being here, this is the soil where your foundation is overload and emotional heaviness. The 10 of Wands shows that you've been carrying too much. This could be responsibilities, expectations, emotional weight. This could be like to deal with others' expectations of you as well, or others' responsibility, where maybe you're in a family where, you're being looked at. Maybe you're the provider. You're able to provide for family. But yeah, so the 10 of Wands here, this is the soil that your new beginning grows from. And the truth that you cannot keep carrying everything alone. So doubt grows in exhaustion. And this new moon is clearing that weight. Now, the shadow root here being seen in the 10 of Cups and the accountability, the number 22 may be of significance. This is the shadow being the fear of disappointing others, letting others down. 10 of Cups is emotional fulfillment, is family, is community, and connection. And accountability here reveals the deeper shadow. You've been holding yourself responsible for everyone's happiness. You've been carrying emotional expectations that aren't yours. You've been afraid that choosing your truth will let someone down. So this fear feeds your doubt and it must be released. Now, the intention here with the Temperance, your intention is balance, patience, and emotional integration, where Temperance shows healing, moderation, and divine timing. This new moon asks you to choose emotional equilibrium, steady progress, trust in timing, harmony between desire and doubt. So your intention is to move forward without rushing and without shrinking. And the first sprout here with the Four of Pentacles, this is a moment of self-protection. Within the next 2 weeks, you may feel yourself holding back, not because you're afraid, but because you're being intentional. The Four of Pentacles shows conserving energy, choosing carefully, protecting your progress, stabilizing your foundation. This is the first sign your new beginning is real. And when it comes to the growth path here, the Seven of Pentacles, your growth path is slow, it's steady progress that leads to visible results. The Seven of Pentacles shows patience, investment, and long-term growth. And recognition here. Your efforts will be seen. Your work will be acknowledged. Your progress will be recognized. So this new moon teaches you that doubt dissolves through consistent action. The number 36 may be of significance, as well as the number 9. The world is taking notice of what you bring to the table, whether it comes in the form of awards, accolades, or praise. Let this be a reminder that you are capable of great things. Okay, know that accountability begins with the willingness to look honestly at ourselves without excuses, without ego. And whatever it is you see, it may be uncomfortable, but it's the very truth that will set you free. Now, the moon's blessing is here with Page of Wands. The blessing is inspiration, excitement, and renewed passion. The Page of Wands shows creative fire, new opportunities, emotional enthusiasm, bold beginnings. So Cancer's blessing is the courage to explore without needing certainty. So this new moon blesses you with the ability to say, I don't know everything, but I'm ready to begin. And doubt here is not your enemy, it's your initiation. Because you're stepping into a chapter where your truth, your effort, and your passion finally align. And this new moon dissolves fear. It strengthens your voice and it opens the path ahead. When it comes to what's beneath the surface, we have the Eight of Pentacles and we have magic of belief. The hidden emotional truth here influencing this new moon cycle. You are far more capable than you currently believe. This is a quiet, powerful truth. The Eight of Pentacles here shows your dedication. It shows your effort. It shows your skill, your consistency, your commitment to growth. And magic of belief lets me know that your progress is being slowed, not by lack of ability, but by lack of belief in your ability. So this is the emotional root beneath your lesson here, your soul's journey lesson of doubt. You've been working hard, learning, improving, showing up. But beneath the surface, there's a subtle internal narrative here that's whispering, you know, is this enough? Am I ready? Will this work? Can I trust myself? Do I even deserve the recognition? So this new moon is exposing the gap between your actual skill and your perceived capability. And I feel like how this interacts with your new moon spread is that it amplifies the Six of Wands here energy along with live your truth because you're ready to be seen. But belief is the missing ingredient. The seed of recognition is already planted and your belief is what activates it. Now, this energy also interacts with deepening the Ten of Wands because the heaviness that you're carrying isn't just responsibility, it's the emotional weight of doubting your own progress. What's beneath the surface, it clarifies the Ten of Cups here, along with this accountability, because you've been holding yourself accountable for outcomes that were never fully in your control. So feeding doubt instead of confidence. This energy beneath the surface also shapes this temperance because your intention finds balance and is directly tied to believing in your own timing, your own pace, your own process. Also explaining here this Four of Pentacles, why you hold back, because you're afraid your effort won't be enough. But the magic of belief shows this is only a perception. It's not a truth. And the Seven of Pentacles is being empowered because your growth path is slow, steady progress that will be recognized. Belief is the fuel that accelerates it. And so the blessing here is inspiration when it boils down to it with this Page of Wands. The spark that returns when belief replaces doubt. So your doubt is being replaced with belief. And you are not doubting the path, you are doubting your power. You've been working hard, you've been growing, you've been improving, you've been showing up, you've been consistent, but you haven't fully believed in the magic of your own effort. So this new moon is shifting that. Cancer energy is helping you to trust your progress, trust your skill, trust your timing, your intuition, your ability to succeed. The magic of belief here is the missing piece, and it's rising now. When you believe in the magic of the universe, you activate portals beyond the reach of logic. Your energy expands and your vibration shifts, unlocking new dimensions of possibility and serendipity. So, I'm going to leave it here. Sending you guys love, peace, and clarity. Thank you so much for viewing. I'll see you on the next one.